Good afternoon. This is Eric Colati from Epiphany Trading with the Friday, November 27th Epiphany Trading Markets Wrap-Up. The Dow today closed down 154 points, closing at 10,309 in a shortened session. The Nasdaq closed at 2138, down 37. For all those numbers, it was actually amazingly strong over the weekend. This was discussed a bit in our blog and will be in much more detail on Monday morning. There was a crisis in Dubai as their leading investment arm there. They did not default, but they declared a debt moratorium, meaning they're not going to make any debt payments for at least 6 months. And that is viewed as very, very negative. It already had repercussions. Various European banks hold a lot of this debt, so things like HSBC, symbol HBC, were hit very, very, very hard. The Asian bourses, as well as the European bourses, were hit extremely hard as well. Tokyo was down over 5%. Hong Kong was down 5%. Dollar weakened to below 85 yen overnight. It's trading around 86.5 yen right now. Gold was down $50 an ounce. It's only down 10. So there's been some very, very wide movement. For Monday, it's going to be, let's see what the headlines are over the weekend. I'm sure that Abu Dhabi is going to come out and back their investment arm, say whatever it is they have to say. And then we should have to let things settle and see how the farm markets do. Asia should be up a little bit. Europe bounced a little bit today. I think a lot of it is dependent on Asia. We need to see a bounce in there on Monday morning since we were down a relatively small percentage compared to them. Few things to look at. It's a very few. It's a holiday session, so not a whole lot. Seed closed near a high. KNDI closed near a high. CSIQ was among many other solars which recouped major earning morning losses. It too closed near a high. QLTI closed near a high. X in the steel sector closed near a high. APWR closed near a high, and TRI closed near a high. There were not a whole lot actually negative. Most of the stuff did not close near lows. Dow was about 75 points off of a low. It's not good the financials sold off late. Goldman Sachs fell 2 points very, very late. When resorts reversed later in the day, as a for instance. But overall, it was probably about as good as it possibly could have been today. So with that, I wish all of you a very, very good weekend and good luck trading on Monday.